right, guys, this is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1966 SS Chevelle. This has a matching number 396 under the hood. There's no power steering on this one. This is a beautiful car inside and out. It runs and drives great. It's got a 4-speed transmission in it. Be sure to check out the test drive video. That way you know everything about the car. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride at maplemotors.com. Went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood so I'm not fumbling keys and messing up with the camera. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post cars like this all the time, and it does help us out greatly when you share the videos and hit that like button. I have financing, I have shipping available as well at maplemotors.com. Let's get started here. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws, that way you know what you're buying before you show up to the lot. Coming around the front end, you can tell the front bumper's already been replaced. It's nice and clean. The grill and everything is nice. It looks awesome. All the trims shined up. There's a little scratch right here on the paint job. Trim looks pretty good. Doors look solid. Coming on down, looking for any bubbles or issues. Exhaust kicked out to the side here. And of course, that's on both sides. Coming back down the midsection, very straight. Door handle's been replaced. And the top portion, oh, they left a little wax down in here. The trim around the window's been replaced. It's nice and clean. I absolutely love this color. Back bumper's definitely been replaced. It's pretty much perfect. Trim around the back looks good. Weather stripping's new in the trunk. It looks good. The mat's a bit faded in here. A little bit of moisture in the trunk. It was raining about a day ago, so, and this one was sitting outside. Could have been getting the moisture coming in through the back window.
How much?
Oh, we got it. All right, I wasn't sure exactly where I ended there. Guy rolled up on me, so we'll just look around the trunk one more time. All right. You can see how she shuts down. Up here, I think the hinges need to be adjusted down a little bit. It's sitting a little high, but it's even on both sides. See, it's sitting a little high over here too. There's a scratch right here on top. That's a shame. One of the only scratches on the car. All right, we're gonna go down this side, do the same thing, look for any flaws. Oh, I said that. There's another scratch right here. Coming down the side. Got a blemish right here in the corner. It's like a scratch. A little extra wax left over there, I just wiped off. Coming up over the fenders. Coming down the mid section of the car here. Not looking too bad. All right, we've made it all the way around this ride. We're gonna go ahead and check out the interior, and then we'll get some outside shots with it running and look at the undercarriage. Bucket seats, 4-speed. Interior's in great shape. Package tray looks good. Headliner is in great shape as well. Same with that dash. Door panel looks pretty good. Weather stripping's not bad. Checking the bottom of the door. Got solid jams. Carpet. Got a imperfection there on the carpet. What did they do? Oh, okay, I see. They just didn't cut it right. I've installed carpet a few times. Didn't make that mistake, but it happens, I assume. All right. Let's go ahead and start her up here. That sounds awesome. So our 10 gauge is not working in here. I'd definitely install an aftermarket 10 gauge or fix that one or get that one hooked up. Wipers, they do work. Not the fastest in the world. Place your bets. You think that horn works? Blower motor's not working on this one. Radio's missing. Horn works every time. Clock down here is not working. Showing 50,000 miles on the dash. Hard to prove mileage, but this is the original motor. So. Okay. See how the hood comes down, see how easy it is. Not too bad. She's locked up there. Looks like it needs to be brought over a little bit. And the hinges are just a little bit low on this side. All that can be adjusted out. This side's nice and straight. Even. It's like perfect. It's just that other side, I think the hinges dip down. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look all up under this car. Check out maplemotors.com to see detailed pictures, and look on my test drive video to see a undercarriage shot. It's all lit up. See what she's got. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and definitely share these videos. It helps us out greatly. I want to thank you in advance for that. maplemotors.com. We have 100 detailed pictures. I have finance options. I have shipping available. And all of our inventory is updated every Monday. always update, put new cars on there and take them off throughout the week when they sell. All right, guys, be sure to check out that test drive. It should be popping up any moment. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.